Hi guys, happy Sunday. So today I decided to do something a little bit different. As you guys know, I really have not been in the vlogging mood. I have just been really enjoying kind of being in the present. I've been doing a lot of stuff. You guys saw my last vlog. I've been trying to be more social and not be such a hermit and stay inside all the time. And I have definitely been succeeding at that. I've been doing so many fun things, but I just haven't felt the need to take my camera and document it all. It's just kind of been something that I've just wanted to enjoy for myself. So vlogging's been a little bit low. And for that reason, I haven't vlogged at all this week. So I decided today we are gonna do a Sunday Funday vlog because I have a very exciting day planned. Carly and I are about to head to brunch at Over the Bridge Cafe. We're gonna have a nice little spread. They have an unlimited mimosa bar and they have flavored mimosas. Carly and I, we've been eating there a lot lately, but we read the menu the other day and saw all the flavors and we were really stoked about it. So that is gonna happen. We may end up bopping around on the Ave and hitting up some bars, or we're gonna go on the boat. We have our bathing suits. We just don't know where this day is gonna take us, but figured I would show you my outfit. This hat, Carly, it's hers, not mine. PacSun. I have on my usual necklace. This kind of like cardigan shawl is from H&M. My tube top is Brandy Melville. My belt is H&M featuring my bee sting that I got stung with a bee yesterday. That's fun. Pants, or shorts I should say, are from Urban, and my shoes are from Forever. And I'm also carrying a Forever 21 book bag. So Carly, oh yes girl, we are brunch ready. Let's show your outfit.
So my hat.
Carly has a lot of hats.
This is Urban Outfitters. Yeah, Urban Outfitters. This is actually a bathing suit from Forever 21.
Perfect for our yes, not sure where the day is going occasion.
And then skirt is from Target. This is from LF, and my shoes are Gianni Beanie, however you say that.
So that's it. So come along with us, Sunday Funday. I hope you're ready, because I know that I'm not. Sunday Funday came to an end. You guys saw it was so much fun. We decided to go out on the boat, and then we ended up at Flanagan's and had some dinner, and then I kind of called it an early night. I think I was home by like 10:30. So it was a very fun day, but still rather chill. So today I'm just kind of getting myself in order. I went grocery shopping at Trader Joe's this morning and got myself some fresh produce and fuel for the week. I have my sheets going right now. I love starting the week off with fresh sheets. And as you guys can tell, I'm babysitting Bucky for the day. So him and Lily are just kind of hanging out while I get some work done on the computer. So although I love to have fun on Sundays, I like to make sure that Mondays are productive. So I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna clean my house a little bit and just get myself in order for a productive week ahead. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you would like to see in upcoming vlogs. Also let me know what you thought of this video. And if you kind of enjoy me doing random sporadic days rather than weekly vlogs, because maybe that's what I'll start doing, is vlogging when I feel like I have like actual content that I want to feature. So keep me updated. But until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.